Today we're out here at the grand opening of New Meadows Mehen Skate Park, and I'm really excited about this event because I want to show you, how the New Meadows community comes together. We were in McCall and you saw a video of how the town of McCall comes together for homecoming, and New Meadows has that same vibe. There was a tragic event that happened, and what the product that came out of that was the town really came together. They did all sorts of fundraising and charity events, and they've put together a skate park here in New Meadows. And you can see the whole town has come out today to really celebrate it. They also have the new community center. And so whenever towns thrive, they really focus on the young people and anybody that's older. We don't leave anybody out, and there's stuff to do for everyone. And so today with this video, I hope you just get like a vibe of, New Meadows, the community, and just how cool it is living here. I can tell you all day, but I want you to see it for yourself. So as you can see, everybody came together. We've had an amazing day. And so if you're thinking about moving to the area, if you want to get more information about our community, subscribe to the channel and you will get all the information you need right here.